Zoe, where are we going today?
Calgary.
Let's try that again. So, where are we going today?
Calgary.
One more time. I need more enthusiasm. Okay. All right. Sorry, where are we going today?
Calgary.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Liam Peterson. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're shooting this about 3 days before this comes out. We're going back to Calgary today just for a couple days. It's my sister's birthday and she's turning 18. I have a little surprise for her. She doesn't know I'm coming, so I'm gonna surprise her. Zoe's mom doesn't know she's coming, so we're gonna surprise her as well. Me and Zoe are gonna go catch our flight right now, so I'll see you guys back in Calgary. Hi there, how's it going?
Good for Liam?
Yes, for Liam. So we're back in Calgary, guys. It's cold here as hell. Right now we're gonna go surprise Zoe's mom. So we're gonna try to sneak into the house and scare the crap out of her. Easy on your steps. I have a big foot. I'm gonna ring the doorbell, and then we're gonna run, okay? Let's go behind the chair, go behind the Lie down. They open the door, but no one's coming out. Just stay there. I'm gonna throw a snowball at the door, okay? Ah! We just surprised Zoe's mom and we scared the crap out of her. The original plan tonight was I was gonna go home and hide in a box and Emmy was supposed to open. I was supposed to surprise her that way, and then we're gonna go to the Flames game after. But now because our flight was delayed, I have to meet her at the Flames game tonight. Em, were you surprised?
Very.
Mom, were you surprised?
Yes, very surprised.
Dad, were you surprised?
No, not at all.
I think we should reenact.
Oh, we should reenact.
We'll reenact it, but I'll let people know that it was fake.
Hey, hang on. Emmy, hold it like this.
I still gotta go to the bathroom. Surprise! Emmy, I'm home! I'd like to thank my mom for making this box for me. The real reason I came home was for this one. Oh, look at you. We surprised Zoe's mom, we surprised my sister. Now we're gonna surprise Zoe's sisters. It's her birthday party today and I don't think she knows we're back in Calgary, so we're gonna quickly go jump in and say hi.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go surprise her. All right, surprise time. Oh, they're definitely right there. Ah! Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How are you? Look,
Good.
this is for you.
Thank you.
He's smiling, look at him. Ah! Oh, that's pretty cool. Science. Birthday, dear. How many boyfriends? I made this for you.
Oh, thank you.
At Arts and Crafts. Do you like it?
I love it,
That's good.
but there's no ring in it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. For the last couple days, you've seen me and Zoe surprise people while we've been back in Calgary. The whole purpose of coming back to Calgary was because it's my sister's birthday and I wanted to surprise her. I got here Thursday and I'm leaving today, so I thought I'd give her one last surprise before I left. All right, Em, where are we going?
I have no idea.
You don't know what we're doing?
No.
You have no clue. I think we should just go there and get your reaction from there. We're turning in 600 meters.
Yeah, let's go wolf dog. I told you it's wolves. Is it actually? Is that it? We're gonna go pet wolves? Can you just tell me what we're doing? Are we doing adopt a wolf?
Ah, we're not adopting a wolf. Emmy thought we were getting a dog today, and now she's disappointed because we're going to a wolf sanctuary instead of getting a dog. We're doing the interactive tour for Emmy's birthday today, so we're gonna get to go in the enclosure with some of the wolves today. So our tour doesn't start till 2. So we're just checking out some of the wolves right now. This is where the wolves get all their food, it looks like. Look at them go. Oh, he's got something in his mouth. Look at that. Now we get to actually go inside the enclosure with them with this tour that we're doing.
My name is Scott, and I'm going to be your guide this afternoon. Wolves are nothing like you're used to seeing in the movies. In fact, they're very fearful of humans. We tend to forget about it because we watch too much Game of Thrones and stuff. But leaving that plastic chair on the far end are the scary ones towards them. Wild, it's pretty shocking, guys. In the last...
We're about to meet him. There he is. Oh my god.
All it really takes is me kind of against 20,000 years of instinct that tells them to fear you, and whether in about 10 minutes they're probably going to saunter. And you can identify their degree of wolf content. Breeders produce a litter, make their money, take the breeding pair. No, you're...
My fingers are too frozen.
Yeah, and as long as you kind of keep...
How was it, Em?
Very good.
We just got back. We're hiding in the car now. It's literally minus 32 right now. That's what it says on the dash. We're gonna go warm up. We gotta go home now. I gotta go pack because I'm leaving tonight. So we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do, but that's what we're gonna do. Yamneska Wild Dog Sanctuary. It's just outside of Cochrane, Alberta. It's amazing. The people there are awesome. The sanctuary is a non-profit organization. They actually rescue wolves instead of breeding wolves. Anyways, guys, it was a great opportunity. It was a great experience. Me and Emmy both had a lot of fun doing it. So now we're headed back to Vancouver. We're gonna leave all this cold weather, all this snow behind. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you guys next week. Oh, and happy birthday, Emmy.